Hi viewers, today we are discussing about chemical engineering chemistry, chapter 1. In chapter 1 we have three topics. In first topic atomic structure and chemical bonding, second topic is periodic table, third topic is acid and bases. Now let's go discussing about the first atomic structure. Atomic structure. In that first topic is what is meant by chemistry. What is meant by chemistry? What is meant by chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with nature of matter, composition of matter, occurrence, isolation, methods of preparation and properties, and uses. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with nature of matter, composition of matter, occurrence, isolation, methods of preparation and properties, and uses. After that, next we are discussing about matter. What is meant by matter? Matter is anything occupies space and having mass is called as matter. Anything occupies space and having mass is called as matter. For example, this pen is there. They can occupying some space or not, they having some mass or not, this is called as matter. In same this book also, they can occupying some space or not, they having some mass or not, that is called as what is that? Matter. Anything occupies space and having mass is called as matter. Next, how it is matter is composed with atoms. Next is what is meant by atom. Atom is a basic unit of matter that consists of a dense central nucleus is surrounded by the negatively charged particles. Atom is a basic unit of matter that consists of a dense central nucleus is surrounded by the negatively charged cloud electrons. Is surrounded by the negatively charged cloud electrons is called as an atom. This is the nucleus. Dense central nucleus is surrounded by the negatively charged electrons. These are the electrons. Atom means what is that? Basic unit of matter is called as atom. Basic unit of matter is called as atom, or fundamentals of building blocks. Fundamentals of building blocks. Fundamentals of building blocks we are called as atom. Next, fundamental particles of an atom. Next, fundamentals particles of an atom. Fundamental particles of an atom means what is that? What are there inside the atom? What are the inside the atom? Inside the atom we have that three. What are that? Protons. Next, second one is electrons, and third one is neutrons. Inside the nucleus we have protons, electrons and neutrons. This is the atom. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. These are the electrons. This is called as nucleus. Inside the nucleus, protons plus neutrons are there. Inside the nucleus, protons plus neutrons. Next we are going to discussing about protons. Proton is a positive charge. Proton, what is the charge of proton? Positive charge. And who is discovered proton means Goldstein. Who is discovered proton? Goldstein. What is the charge of proton is positive charge, and who is discovered is a proton means Goldstein. What is the atomic mass of the proton? Mass of the proton is equal to 1.00732 atomic mass unit. AMU is called as atomic mass unit. Mass of the proton is equal 1.00732. These protons are present in the inside the atom. The protons are present in the inside the atom. Next, electrons. What is the charge of electrons? Is negative charge. What is the charge of electrons? Negative charge. Who is discovered electrons? Means J.J. Thomson. Who is discovered electrons? J.J. Thomson. What is the mass of electron? Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. It is the mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. When compared to the proton, this is 1 by 1837 types of is more. 1 by 1837. Next, neutrons. Neutrons is there is no charge. They are the neutral. Who is discovered? Me Chadwick. Who is discovered neutrons? Me James Chadwick. What are the mass of the neutron is 1.008 atomic mass unit. Mass of neutron is 1.008 atomic mass unit. These are the fundamentals of an atom. What are the inside the atom? Protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons are the positive charge. Who is discovered? Goldstein. Mass of proton is 1.00732 AMU. In kg is 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. In neutrons also almost is both are same mass will be having. When compared to proton, this one is slightly will be having more mass. Almost this is 672, this is 675. Almost is both mass of the proton and mass of the neutron. But when compared to protons, mass of the neutron is slightly will be more. These are the inside of atom. What are their protons, electrons and neutrons. Next we are going to discussing about the atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by the capital Z. Atomic number is denoted by the capital Z. What is meant by atomic number? Means number of protons present in the nucleus is called as atomic number. Number of protons present in nucleus is called as atomic number. Atomic number, that is denoted by the capital Z. Atomic number Z is equal to number of protons, number of electrons. In an atom, number of electrons and number of protons is called, what is that? Atomic number. Number of protons present in an atom is called as atomic number. Atomic number Z is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Next, mass number. Mass number is denoted by the capital A. Mass number means number of protons plus number of neutrons present in an atom is called as mass number. Number of neutrons and number of protons present in an atom is called as mass number. Mass number A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. A is equal to Z plus N. Capital A is equal to Z plus N. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. How to identify the number of neutrons? A minus Z. A minus Z. Next, nucleus. What is the charge of nucleus? Means positive charge. What is the charge of nucleus? positive charge. Who is discovered this nucleus is Rutherford. Who is discovered this nucleus means Rutherford. Rutherford, he did the experiment, gold foil experiment. In that experiment, all the rays are deflected, only some rays are undeflected. Due to this experiment, he have to find out the charge of the nucleus is positive charge. Charge of the nucleus is positive charge. Who has discovered that? Rutherford. In nucleus, number of protons and neutrons. Nucleus having number of protons and neutrons. Next,